SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So this is delivering fantastically good. Like SERV Robotics up 41%, great. This is what my approach looked like and how I would be how I would approach it. Now here's the proof of me calling it out before time. If it doesn't happen, second option is if it comes inside the demand zone and gives a double break there, and if that doesn't happen, then I'm not buying, you know. So you see, either the price gave me like a double break here, or it came lower and then gave me a double break again. Either way, the second option was the case. I'm gonna be here and say that I was not behind here to take like a crazy double buy, you know, like a double break confirmation to then take a buy. It's just a good idea that I had. But yeah, if you like, all I want to see is the price take out the highs. That's at least my opinion. It's obviously not financial advice. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. All the reviews are 5 stars.